Hi, welcome back to another episode of 10 Minute Makes. My name is Marcie, and today we are going to put together a little spa packet for the Valentine's swap that I'm participating in. And I have been making these for years. Let's set the timer. And what I like to do when I have a lot of stuff to put in the packet is to take apart the little gift bag, or the little lunch bag, and we will put it back together. Boy, that is really stuff on there. I picked up this bag at Dollar Tree, and sorry for all the noise. Okay, let's flatten it out. Okay, and then what I like to do is, let's get some tape here. So on the inside of this fold, I'm going to put double-sided tape in here because we're actually going to fold this in to get rid of this part. It just becomes too bulky. Plus, folding it in gives us a little bit more of a reinforcement around the edges. So let's burnish that down. Burnish that side. And then we'll take this and we're just going to fold in where we unfolded it. And just kind of keep going around until okay, and then we'll fold it flat. We'll put another piece of tape on the inside fold. And that is what we will stick together on this end. That way when we fold this over, it will be a nice reinforced edge. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of different pieces of tape and glue here because for some reason, this bag does not want to stick. I'm going to reinforce it with just a little bit more of this glue. And then we'll just make sure that it's even. Press that down. You can probably use hot glue on this as well, and that might even be a better option. Okay, so put something hard on that, or a little heavy to hold that front down for a second, and then let's make the tea. We'll make a little tea bag. This. Okay, I have things all over the place. So this I'm going to put towards the back of the bag. And then we'll cut off Normally I would use a smaller bag for this and make this match, but I'm putting honey in and it is a little bit thicker of a container than I normally get. So it's going to take up that extra space. So then we'll just put a little bit of this score tape on the back. Oh, I already did. Okay. I'll set those there. I like to put the first tea bag down and then put the second one and kind of tuck it down a little bit so that it's even with that. Then you have pattern paper on the back. So when you put it in your bag, these are clear bags from Amazon. So then it fits in there just perfectly. When I put the honey in on the back side, and I like to fold from the bottom. See how that extra bit on the edges kind of curls in, and then I just kind of center it. You can do the piece of paper where it goes all the way across, but it's a preference thing. And then the other thing, let's see if these are ready now. Okay. This is a sheet. I think it's like a glitter sheet or something like that, bling sheet or something. Then what we'll do is cut this. Let's do a different. I like the ones that just have one row. These, if you cut the mesh, the full sheet mesh, you have to make sure that you cut in close to the little rhinestone, because if you don't, you'll have all of these little hairs on the side. So we don't want those on our pretty package. And then go through and cut close to that first row, and then that should take care of having any of those, the mesh. It'll take care of having any of the mesh being seen. Okay. I'll take this. And put this down. You can wrap this around the edge. I've done that. I've done that sometimes. My oldest bonus daughter got married a couple years ago, and when we had her shower, I did the spa packets for all of her guests that were attending her shower for a little favor. They turned out so cute. So I'm just gonna trim that last one up. Okay. So then what I did, I keep saying so then, and then. Okay. I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up one of these eye masks. I like to put these in the freezer and then put this eye mask over the top of it when I have it on my eyes, and it sits there pretty nicely. These I I might have purchased these either on Amazon or at Dollar Tree. So there's a face mask and a foot mask. And then we have our tea packet. That in. The other thing I picked up at Dollar Tree, they had these little pedicure sets, and this packaging's way too big to put in here. So I put the clippers in this little baggie, and then where did my other one go? Here it is. And then these two pieces can just go stand up in the back. Then I ordered this little set on Amazon for the clear bags, and we will see if this can fit in here. And we might have to tape it down, which is completely fine. I do want to tuck that back. That way we can push it all the way up. Here, and I will tape this section. Okay. And then there is a little spa kit. And we have a cute little spa set, which this is going to Alyssa at Crafting to Cope and Erin at Coop's Place Crafts. I don't know why I always keep messing that up. Anyways, they live in Minnesota, and they're being hit by an ice storm this weekend, so this should come in very handy. So this is our 10-minute make for today, and I hope you come back tomorrow to see what's next. Have a magnificent day. Bye-bye.